Good evening, everybody. How's everyone doing today? About to do a little citrus chicken, okay? All right, first I'm going to start off with this cilantro. I'm going to dice it up. Yeah, yesterday I got this little rotisserie chicken from Costco. You guys probably know about that chicken. I'm just going to doctor it up. Oh, my husband will see me making it because he's going to be like, you didn't cook that, I ain't eating it. So he said this little rotisserie chicken. I don't know why he didn't want to trip over that. Okay, here's the cilantro. Gonna put some garlic up in there. I have like I have four garlic plugs. No, actually 5. Okay, I'm about to grate out all this too. I could never get enough garlic. I love garlic. It just gives everything just such a good flavor and boosts it all up. And boosts up the flavor. That was a tiny little piece, but this is a big piece right here. Ooh, I could smell it too. I already preheat my oven to 450. Today is kind of, what's the temperature up here today? Okay, it says 73 up in the kitchen, so that's pretty nice. Okay. Okay. Then now, I have some lemon. Excuse me. I got some lemon. I mean, that was my orange. That's an orange. I got an orange. I'm going to squeeze 2 oranges. Just to give it some twang. Give it a new twist and a new flavor. You know? Okay, that was a lime. And this one is a lemon. It's not all the way ripe. I got it from my sister. Y'all like, ooh, and it's so strong. It smells so good. Ooh, I know that lemon skin is powerful. I'm gonna have to do something with that. I'm keeping that. Ooh wee. Okay. So now this is what it looked like right here. I'm just swooshing it around. You do it like so. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil in there. Not much. Got this little. Okay, I say I'm gonna put about, let me say a half a tablespoon, not too much. Not too much. A little olive oil up in there. I'm gonna put a little bit more. Okay, so maybe now that's like a full tablespoon. And then I got this complete. Oh no, I ain't using that today. I guess I'm gonna use this a little bit of Saison so the chicken can have some color and some good flavor. So I'm putting some Saison in there. Ooh, I could smell it, and I'm about to sneeze, y'all. Oh, yeah. A little black pepper. Oh, I'm gonna step right here. Okay, it went away. Okay, so now I'm mixing it all up. Okay. Taste it too. What do you need more of? It's good. Ooh, that's a good flavor. And now I'm gonna cut this chicken up. Cut up some pieces of this chicken. Yeah. Ooh, wait, this is gonna be good. So I'm gonna grate some habanero on my little pieces. You know I like the spice. How was everybody's day today? I hope everybody had a blessed day. Yes, I hope you did. Yep. You guys know this chicken here. You know what? Let me do this. Move this out the way. Move this citrus stuff over before I start touching meat. All my bell pepper and my veggie stuff. Okay. Put it over here. Okay. Okay. Now, doing this right here. Right here, right here. Get a leg. Ooh, that was easy. I could have ate some of this last night. I came home. I made me some cilantro garlic rice. I'm gonna make a video showing you guys how I did that. You know what? I'm just gonna break this chicken in half with my hand. I don't have time to play with this chicken. Okay. It looks like I got a thigh. And is that a breast? No, the breast is right in the center. A thigh and a thigh. Let me get some breast too. Okay. I'm not gonna do it all tonight. Cause I wanted different flavors, different nights. Different pieces. Mix it up. Eat this chicken. Wait on this for about what, 2 days? Might do some tacos or some enchiladas with the rest of it. Yep. Okay, so I got a leg up in there, a breast. This is all the pieces. I got these pieces, so I'm gonna put a wing in there. Let me get them one wing. Maybe I'll keep one of these big old pieces so I can do the enchiladas and I use the wings and stuff. Let's try. Do enchiladas, or if I decide to do chicken tacos or whatever, I have more meat, so I'll use these wings and leg and a little fleshy piece of thighs. Okay, that'll be enough. Okay, that's good right there. Okay. Ta-da. 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 Okay, so now okay. Put the chicken down. I'm putting the fatty part on the bottom so they could get that crunch, that skin crunch. They got the outside skin crunch. I want the fatty part to be, you know, put down and let that little skin crunch get on there. So now we're going to this goodness right here. We're about to pour all this delicious goodness all over the chicken. Yep, just do it like so. Do it so. Do it like, yep. This way. Ooh, You know what? Everything that I had, all the citrus, I'm gonna go over it again. Here go the lime. Here go the lemon. Here go the, okay. Okay. And the orange, and the lime, and the lemon. Ooh, wait. Okay, man, I'm gonna put that in the oven. Look at that. Does that look good? It smells good too. Oh, it already tastes good. I'm just put it in the oven for like, I'm gonna wait till my 450 thing beep. Yeah, yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Ain't beautiful, huh? Yes, it is. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Try it. Try this. Try to make it. Citrus chicken. You know what? Let me get a little bit more olive oil. Put a little coating. Extra little coating. Ooh. Okay, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video this evening. This is a little quick something you could do for your family or for yourself, you know, or that you could just may want to just make and try. Ooh, let me make sure I don't have no seeds. You know, when you do the citrus, make sure the seeds don't fall into your food, because then it leaves a better taste. That right, yeah. It's good. You know what? Put some writing foil. Foil. Put that in the oven. I'm gonna put a lid over that and put that in the oven. This right here. Okay, citrus chicken, cilantro, garlic, lemon, orange, lime, olive oil, Saison, black pepper, and that's it. And love, okay? All right. So enjoy your evening. Have a good day. And if this is your first time coming to my channel, thank you. Hit like and subscribe. And if you came back and you watching my video again, thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate you, and have a good day. All right. Bye-bye. God bless you.